Piano? I mean, you squint, that sounds like a piano. Maybe in another room. Is this not the brownest thing you've ever seen? Well, wait till you see what's inside. I'd argue that that's even browner. Now this is the Yamaha Portasound 2 from 1980, PS2 for short, but not to be confused with the gaming console. As you can see on the back, here's the model number, etc. It takes 6 C-cell batteries, which I don't happen to have, but thankfully it does have its own power supply. So let's get it out of the box here. This very nice case made out of real plastic. We'll put that aside. Plug in the power. Goes in the side here. Quickly turn it on and you can hear how it sounds through the onboard speaker. Quite a squeal coming from that, and if I take my lapel mic, maybe you'll get to hear that. Okay, so we're going to plug it into the Tascam DR100 Mark III, also known as Harry, by way of this 1/4" cable. Goes in the side here in the headphone jack. There's also a RCA jack here for a damper pedal, which I don't think I have one in that format, so no way to test that just today. Now it has independent volumes for the bass chord, auto rhythm, and the, well, it calls it an orchestra, but the tones basically. And I've got them set to about 3 o'clock for the recording. It's pretty loud to have it that loud through the speaker, but let's go through the tones, starting with organ. String. Clarinet. Piano. Finally, harpsichord. It's a bit of a stretch to call these tones by these names, but we get the idea. Finally, there's a sustain button, which makes all of them sound a bit cooler actually. Let's start again from the organ. Bit of a vibrato on the end of that one. That's definitely my favorite sound, the harpsichord with the sustain turned on. So I believe these sounds are generated by a square wave oscillator, and then just the different tones are created by feeding them through various filters or emphasizing certain frequencies. Now I'm sure there are people with more knowledge about this particular keyboard that could tell you exactly what's going on in there. Okay, so we have 4 rhythms here: waltz, swing, rock, and Latin. Synchro start button, and as far as I can gather, you have to arm that and then press one of these 12 keys down here. Swing is next. Rock. And Latin. There's also a tempo knob here. Let's hear that sounds with the Latin. As you can hear, it gets quite slow and quite fast. The final function down here is a single finger chord, which sounds like this. And if we use that in conjunction with the synchro start, we can hear the auto bass chords. Quickly go through them here. Swing. Rock. Now I have a good feeling about this one. I guess that's rock music. Latin. So there you go. That's the Yamaha Portasound 2, a fun little keyboard, and it's also very brown. Take it away.